how are you? So Wille released 3 new styles. I have one here today. I want to talk to you all about it. So if you want to see what I think of the new Wille styles, specifically the one I have in front of me, then let's get to it. Okay, so Wille has 3 new styles. They have a style called Delight, they have a style called Nepali, and then they have a style called Noblesse. I have Noblesse here, and I want to talk about all of the deets. We'll look at her cap construction, and we will talk a little bit about her, and then I will show you what she looks like. We'll try her on, and I'll give you my thoughts. So, it says that Noblesse is from their Modex collection, okay, and it says it's long, luxurious, and incredibly beautiful. It's an elevated cap designed to match. So, it's a light density cap as a natural comfort all-day fit. There's a mini lace front, and then it also has a double monofilament top. It creates a natural looking appearance of hair growth and allows you to style it in several different ways. I do have to say that the cap is this particular one is not heat friendly. It's again the mini lace front, double monofilament, and partially hand tied. I do have to say that the cap is insane. It's so gorgeous. So this is the box here, and la 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 la. So it does come from the Modex collection. Okay, this is the style right here on the box, and I have her in the color. She actually doesn't come in many colors. She comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She only comes in 8 colors. I have her in the color Toffee Brown Mix. So this is what she looks like. Let me slam back. This is what she looks like. But the cap, you can even see how light, just like it's hanging, okay? And this is the cap. So you have this stunning, stunning cap. Like they said, it's the light daily wear cap, okay? It's the double mono top. There's that small lace front right there, and then it has the Velcro straps that go into the cap itself, okay? And yeah, I mean, it feels amazing. So let me get my wig cap on. If you're interested or want to know about this makeup look, I do have a video where I showed it. It was the one where I was talking about, like, don't hit your wagon to other people's star. And I used the Glam Light Scooby-Doo palette, and it looks like this. I love Glam Light. I love this palette. So that's how I got this look. I need to use the teals next. I've used the purple shades, all the purple shades twice, so I need to use the teal next. Anyway, so I am going to take the tag off just because I feel like moving it around, it like gets super annoying. I do sell Wille. You can order Wille from me on my website. And if you don't see a style listed, all you have to do is message me, because I am an authorized retailer for Wille. In general, if it doesn't come right from their warehouse, it does ship from Germany, because these are made in Germany. So that's just a little FYI. This one came straight from Germany. It didn't take too long, but that's just something that no matter where you're buying it from, if they're drop shipping it, sometimes it is coming right from Germany. Okay, so this is the card, and it shows the color. It shows the color in the card. So let's get her on. I'm so excited about this color. I tried this on in a live with this and the new Tressler style, so I tried it on quickly when I was doing a live sale, but this feels nice. Bendable ear tabs. So I'd have to say, do you see how this is like, for some people, depending on the size of your head, so if my head was a little bit bigger, this would lay a little bit flatter. So for some people, you might have to just either glue it down or just put a little bit of the double-sided wig tape on it, or maybe adjust it a little bit. But you can see so that's what the hairline looks like. Where's my little comb? I'm going to use my travel brush from Renee Paris. I love this color. Absolutely love this color. I definitely do like her. I like the layers. I love this color. I feel like if you wanted a brunette, but you wanted something, you know, because it's darker on the bottom, if you wanted to be able to do a little something just to lighten it up, either for summer or just like a little change, this would be a great color for that. I'd probably have to train this a little bit to lay where I wanted. When you get these monotops, double monotop, whatever, it doesn't really matter. When you get these monotops and you can like comb them any direction, you do sometimes have to train them to be going the direction that you want to. It's awesome to have a double mono or a monotop because you can part it anyway, but you do sort of still have to train it a little bit. And how you train that usually is what I do is spray some water on it, clip it, and then when it dries it'll be in the position that you want. For this one I'm just going to use a little bit of the Tressolore wig wax. I think I want it here, or do I want it here? I kind of prefer it either be straight in the middle or be off to one side. Again, yeah, see, this needs to be wet, and this needs to be wettened. This needs to be wet in order to bring this all down. So let me just sit it where it kind of wants to be naturally, so I don't have to worry about all of that, and then I will customize the part another time. I mean, if you want a light cap that is going to be comfortable all day, this would definitely be it. This cap is extremely comfortable. It is definitely an elevated cap, so I can't deny that for them. Alright, this is just not sitting where I'm feeling good about it. She's very pretty. This is a color I would like to try more of. So let me go ahead where it's at right now and use the, yeah, there we go. Use the wig wax just to get this. You know, I don't like bangs in my face. Oh yeah. This is a similar length to my Ocean, and I love Ocean. That's like by Aesthetica. That's one of my favorites. So I think if I wanted sort of a straight version, this is really giving me the same feeling. It is so light, and the density is so realistic. If you want something that looks real, that's comfortable, this is definitely going to check those boxes for you. You would just want to get the get the style to lay where you want it to lay. All right, while this is drying, let's look at her from the back. Let's look at her from the back. I mean, the cap is laying so realistically. I don't feel like it looks like weird at the crown on my head. Yeah. I don't have any complaints at all. I think if you want, I think the cap is great. If you're looking for more of a daily wear type of style, this could be a really good option. It's lightweight, it can be versatile. You have the benefit of the lace front, but you don't have all of the, you know, blending or messing around as a lace front. You got the benefit of, you know, the monofilament as well. So like I said, you can purchase this wig from me in any of the available colors. I will put links and information down below for the purchasing. Oh yeah, remember this one is not heat safe. I think Nepali and her aren't heat safe, but I know that the other one is heat safe. It's like the wavier of the three. So yeah, that is what I have you. That's what I have for you for this Noblesse wig from Ellen Wille. It's one of their new releases. If you have any questions, thoughts, comments, put them down below. If you haven't checked me out on my other social medias, there's a link where you can find all the free content and all the free wig support that I offer. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!